Hello student, here we discuss about effective atomic number of several metal ion. You write down these structures which is on your screen, and I'm Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. All the best. Thank you for watching. Here we have taken cobalt ion, nickel and the PT complex. Means 4 complexes I have discussed here, and effective atomic number. Here I myself written that cobalt is in 3 positive oxidation state because ammonia is neutral ligand. NiCO whole 4. Here oxidation state of nickel is 0. Why? Because there is no charge on the complex. So atomic number, effective atomic number of metal. Here only metal, here metal ion, here metal ion, here also metal ion, because here it is NiNS36. 2 positive means 2 electrons. After loss of 2 electron, Ni2 positive will be there. So nickel is in 2 positive state, and platinum here is 4 positive state. After the loss of 4 electron, it will be having 4 oxidation state. Now we know effective atomic number, that central metal ion, we will see that central metal is cobalt, and how many electrons it is lost? 3, because it is having 3 positive oxidation state. So now remaining electron in CO3 positive is 24. How many ligands? 6 ligands. Total 12 electrons. So 24 plus 12 electron is equal to 36 electron. So krypton configuration, yes, it is followed EAN rule. Now nickel carbonyl, 28 electrons, no electron loss over here. So 4 electron ligands are there. So 8 electrons total donated by 4 ligands. So 28 plus 8, 36. So here effective atomic number is 36. That is of krypton electronic configuration. So okay, if this effective atomic number of nickel is 36. Here effective atomic number of CO3 positive we will write on. Okay, so it will be 36. Now we will go for the Ni. I told you that Ni is having here 2 positive oxidation state. Atomic number is 28. 28 minus 2 electron loss, 26 electron remain. Plus how many electrons are added? 12 electrons from 6 ligands. So when we are adding 26 electron plus 12 electrons, so 38 electrons are there. So atomic number of nickel is 28. Okay, and 2 electron lost. So we will get Ni2 positive. So this is for nickel, this is for nickel 2 positive, 26. Here how many electrons? 26. 26 plus here we have seen that 6 ligands, 12 so 12 electrons are donated to nickel, so there will be 38. So it is violating EN rule. But PTCl6 followed EN rule because PT 78 atomic number, 4 electron loss, PT4 positive, so 74 electron remain plus 12 electron added, then it is radon 86.